25 years I've been doing hair transplants. Okay, I've been responsible for running chain clinics, setting up protocols, performing thousands of surgeries and overlooking them, and training so many doctors. So we hear so many stories. Some of them stick with us for life. Some of them are very, very memorable. So let me particularly share one story with you, probably 5 or 6 years into my practice. So I had a patient who was 32-year-old, okay, and he came to me that doctor, I'm affected by my hair loss, by my bald head. He used to avoid taking pictures. Whenever there was a group photo or something, he would run away from it. Okay, he would not go into the swimming pool. He would avoid too much public places. He would generally be reserved, sit in one corner. And the best thing was he was in sales. Apparently, he used to do very well at his job, but from last 1 or 2 years, he was going downhill, and he was affected somewhere. I thought psychologically or even emotionally. Now, when I assessed him medically, the hair loss wasn't very severe. He definitely had receding of the hairline and some amount of thinning because of obviously going into the pool that would show much more when the hair was wet. But I offered him that you can probably undergo medical treatment and thicken the existing hair. But he said, Doctor, the hairline is something that I always desired and I don't have it for a number of years and it's just getting worse day by day. Okay. So we decided that we'll start him on medical treatment, stabilize his hair fall, and then do a hair transplant to make his hairline proper. He doesn't stay very far from the clinic. So he used to actually come every 15, 20 days or even 1 month. And he's saying, Doctor, it's not growing. How much is it growing? Tell me when will it grow? I told him one story. When you have a baby also, you have to wait 9 months. So at least give me that much. Give me 9 months, okay? I told him the hair first falls and then comes. So if you see it in the first 3-4 months, you probably be very disappointed. He said, yeah, first month it looked great. But then again, doctor, later it started looking bald again. But I said, that's a cycle. Nobody can break it, right? But then 4th month, 5th month, he started getting a smile on his face. By 6th month, the smile was wider, broader, okay, and more consistent. 7th, 8th month, 9th month, just like a baby. Hair was like a baby, okay. He gave me this term. I think my hair is like a baby. I've delivered a baby. That's what I feel. He actually said this to me, and that's what I tell all my patients. He actually felt it after 9 months when he had full grown hair, which had even grown in length. He actually would look at himself in the mirror and smile. He stopped avoiding taking pictures. He was more confident because of the medical treatment. His existing hair also got much thicker. When he came to my clinic the first time, and when he started coming to my clinic after 6 months, I could see that extra smile on his face, the happiness that he shared, and of course the extra zest that he had. So yes, every hair transplant journey is unique. If you want to also have your own hair transplant story and hair loss journey, then do call us, consult us to know more. We will help you through this journey. We'll hold your hand and make sure that you come out victorious.